Alright, so this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the A-175 from Emotiva. Now, this is really cool because I've been wanting to hear Emotiva products for a while, and I became an affiliate just recently, I think back in November, and because of all the things I was trying to do with CES, I was supposed to get this out about 3 months ago, but because of that trip and everything, and taking the RV down there and things like that, I just couldn't make it happen soon enough. So, on top of that, you know, I had some family issues happen, so this has been sitting in my living room for like 2 weeks now. So, and so I've been producing content, that kind of thing. So, but I'm glad to finally actually get to it, and so I'm going to do an unboxing of this, and then I'm going to give it a listen and see how it sounds. I'm actually in the RV project right now, primarily because my wife's busy in the house, and you know, I can't kick her out, so she kicked me out. So fortunately this works out. But I'm going to go ahead and do this unboxing, and we'll see how it goes from here. So my last big unboxing video, I talked about knife selection, and this seemed to be a pretty popular one, so I'm going to use it again. And let's just give it a shot here. This already came a little bit open. Let's see here. All right. Okay. All right. Looks like we got a double box situation going on here. That's nice. This thing's pretty heavy. Alright, let's do this. Okay, let's move the knife out of the way because that's just going to be in the way. You know, I probably should have looked to see if there were any directions on this before I did it, but I didn't do that. How we doing? All right. It says use care on the side, so of course I was extra careful. Didn't want to use a razor blade. Oh wow. All right, so I'm gonna get this up in here. Give you guys a look. That's pretty nice. Wow. That's pretty cool. A-175. Huh, right on. Alright, let's see if I can get this to go back to where it was. Maybe. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let's see there. This is harder than it looks. Stop power cord. See, is it in frame? Yeah, it's in frame. The trigger. All right, I've got to say I'm pretty eager to plug this in and check it out and see how it sounds and see what it does for the overall sound of the home theater. I'm not going to be putting it in here. I'm going to be putting it in the house, and I'm going to just check it out and see what it's all about. And I'm really excited about it. And I want to thank Emotiva again for sending this out. I apologize for taking so long to get a video out like this. Just had some things come up that I couldn't avoid. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely stay tuned for more on this unit in particular. I'm looking forward to it. And again, stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe.